Good morning guys, I am back with another video. Today I will show you how to clean a dirtiest ever engine. In my previous video I have shown you how to detail a engine, especially when the engine is new and if you are having a new car, how to protect and detail your engine. But today I will show you how to clean a dirty engine. Not only dirty, it's very dirty, and how to keep it like new. So let's start the process. I am not going to elaborate on all the ingredients that I would require to clean a engine, which I have already showed in the previous video. So without delay, let's start the process. Normally detailing a diesel engine, it's bit difficult because normally diesel attracts more soot and grime. So there is more sooty waste like this, so it will require much more time, and especially in a car like this Ford 1.4 TDCi, it's very much compact and space is very limited. So for a precaution I will cover all the belt areas with a plastic, and also I will cover the alternator. And I won't use any pressurized water in this system. I will follow the same procedure that I have done in my previous car. So let's start the process. Look at the grime. Now let me spray the degreaser. So I have covered the entire area, every nook and corner I have given, and now I will wait for 5 minutes so that this particular degreaser agitates with the dirt, and after that I will spray some water, then apply some brush and finally clean it off. Now let us agitate dust with the help of a brush as much we can. It's very dirty. The car has not been washed or detailed for the last 7 or 8 years. Let us use a brush and apply some pressure so that it agitates with the dirt and dust properly. Normally this sort of engine detailing in a professional shop may cost you, look at the dirt. This type of engine detailing work may cost you around 1000 rupees. Now let me apply some water so that it becomes easier to work. ऐसे ही आप डीजल गाड़ी को साफ कर सकते हैं। डीजल गाड़ी में ज़्यादा मैल और क्या बताते हैं वो मैल जैसे चीज़ वो ज़्यादा होती है, क्योंकि इसमें सूट जनरेशन होता है जो पेट्रोल गाड़ी में नहीं होता है, तो इसलिए सफाई करने में ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है। और आपको अगर इंजन नया जैसा चमके ऐसे बनाना है तो आपको काफ़ी जल्दी आपको करना पड़ेगा। तो ये गाड़ी ख़रीदने के बाद ये पहली बार हम इसको इंजन डिटेलिंग कर रहा है, ताकि इसको थोड़ा देखने में साफ़ सुथरा लगे और देखने में सुंदर लगे। शायद पहली बार में अब एक बार में होना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, इतना ज़्यादा मैल इसमें है। So for engine detailing a diesel car, it's bit a tedious job rather than a petrol car, because as diesel attracts more soot and grime, and it's a quite tedious job to do this process. So I am trying to clean as much as possible, as hand penetration is not possible to each and every areas, but still I am trying my best. water again. Now let us wipe up the dirt with the help of a dry cloth. We will try to dry it as much as we can. Look at the dirt. Use toothbrush where you cannot use a bigger brush. We are almost done. Most of the dirt has been cleaned. Not each and every nook and corner I have been able to do it because my hands are not reaching those areas, but still I am trying my best. And you can see how dirty a diesel car becomes if not the engine is cleaned or periodically. In fact, it's a 8-year-old dirt that I am going to clean in one day, which is impossible. Look at, this is the cloth that has collected the dirt and it's the new cloth. So you understand the difference. So I have cleaned the entire engine. As you see, I have been able to remove most of the soot, dirt and grime, and no more dust or anything like is there. Every area is clean now. Now I will apply some spray wax to beautify this area. So it will look good and also it will protect your rubber parts from getting brittle, and it will remain soft and it will give you a pleasant look. So if you don't have a spray wax, you can also use a tire polish also. That will also serve the purpose. Let us wipe the visible areas and other areas remain as it is. Engine has been cleaned with the help of degreaser and I have applied spray wax, and as you see it is absolutely clean, not a single dirt and grime is there, even these areas, and it definitely gives a good look. And not only that, it will help you to identify if any oil leaks or anything like that is happening in your car, so you can easily identify it with the help of, if it is a clean engine. That is also one advantage. So in this way you can easily clean it, and in diesel it becomes more dirty, so you can't compare with petrol engines where the dirt formation is much less. Now let us install the engine cover. Now let us start the engine and wait for 5 minutes so that the engine warms up and all the additional water, or if any, dries up. So make it a practice to start the engine for 5 minutes. So it took around 2 to 2.5 hours to clean the entire engine. So this is how you can easily clean a dirty engine, and this is specially an 8-year-old dirt which I have cleaned today. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.